control your blood pressure. So our recommendation is 130/80. So dapat huwag kang lumampas dyan. Because it's the most common cause of stroke in a diabetic patient. Also in heart disease and circulatory problem. So you have to lower your BP, 130. Lower your cholesterol and triglyceride. The lower, the better. So there's no value for that. Plus, the lower, the better. In American Diabetic Association, recommend a cholesterol of 100. Total cholesterol of 100. And the triglyceride of 150. This is also the cause of stroke in a diabetic, the high cholesterol and triglyceride. And also the cause of fatty liver in a diabetic patient. The DASH diet. So what is DASH diet? So it's really hard, but it's you have the determination, you can do it. You know, one plate, half of it, 50% should be full with green vegetables and fruits. And another half will divide in your carbohydrates, protein, and fats. So kayang-kaya yan. More on fruits and vegetables for that. It will lower your cholesterol, it will lower your sugar, it will lower the possible stroke for that. It's really the diet will help. The exercise can also help to prevent complications. So we suggest 15 to 30 minutes exercise at least 3 times a week. So those who have problem in the circulation, so we suggest a low impact exercise, walking, climbing. For high impact, you can go into gym, jogging, or biking, or anything. It depends upon your age for that. As an exercise, walking is the best exercise, I think. So in exercise, you can lower your cholesterol, you can lower your BP, and you can improve your circulation for that. In our recommendation, we suggest a nutrition or supplement. But for me, my recommendation is STEM Enhance and STEM Glow for all my diabetic patients. I've been using STEM Enhance for more than 1 year. And also I use it also in my patient. So I started as user, so I am a diabetic, so I tried STEM Enhance, and I feel, I really realized that the STEM Enhance is really amazing. So it improves my blood sugar. I have already have a borderline creatinine of 2 at age 47, so I'm really afraid of that. But by using STEM Enhance after 3 months, my kidney improved. It goes down into 1.2 and the latest is 0.7.